what is it in your consciousness, in your awareness, that you can move around? You can't change the room, you can't change anything, it's all fixed. What you can do is to change your attention. You can put an attention this side or that side, up, above, below, in or out. The only available part of consciousness which we can actually work on is attention. Consciousness, the term consciousness, is a very wide term as used in the spiritual journeys and spiritual path. Consciousness includes all that can ever be conscious, of which consciousness can be conscious of. It's completely undefined, it's big. Then a smaller part of consciousness is awareness. We are aware of some things, we are conscious of the whole world, aware of some of it. Right now, we are conscious of the whole universe, because we heard about it in our memory, elsewhere, in our subconscious, all over we have some knowledge of that hidden. Awareness is limited. We can't operate in that part of consciousness which we are not aware of. It is operating inside us, probably making us do a lot of things that we don't know. It's something that's making our heart beat, making us alive, making us in touch with other things that are happening outside, keeping us alerts from various places, but we are not aware of it. Awareness becomes limited consciousness. Then within awareness, you are aware you are in the hall here. You're conscious there's a world outside, but your awareness is that you are here. Then the awareness gets limited by the sense perceptions of what you can actually see. So this operates, ultimately it shrinks down to only a small fraction over which you have control, and that is attention. You can move your attention wherever you like. You can't do anything else with the rest. So the only secret part of the spiritual path is how you use your attention. Attention is the most valuable gift a human being has. He can move it where it lies. We have been using attention to read books, putting attention to have conversations, putting attention to gain knowledge, putting attention on the universe. But we have never tried to put attention on ourselves. Attention has been used outside of ourselves, projected out. Now I am trying to say, let's put it back. Now, that's a little difficult, but it's possible. Because actually this should be easier than putting attention out. Because when we put attention out, we are not sure where we are putting attention. When we withdraw attention, we are sure we are putting to ourselves from where the attention is going out. It's not some new point we have to discover. It's our own self. Therefore, when we pull our attention back, that's where it is. It is different in different forms we take. Right now, we have a physical body. It looks like the physical body is more real than our attention, but it's the reverse. Attention is making this physical body. This is attention that is creating the whole system. When we are awake, awake means experiencing a physical world at a physical material level. That's called awake. When we are not awake, we are experiencing something else. So when we are awake, the notional point, where we think we are, where we believe we are, from where we act in this shell around us, is behind the eyes, in the center of the head. When we go to sleep, descends. We sleep every night. Sleep is a pattern for survival. And therefore, the tendency to sleep in meditation is very strong.